Do you hate writing reports? Now, Microsoft Teams today has these features that will help you simplify your reporting for your own self as well as for your team members. Let me show you how you can do that. Now, I'm in my Microsoft Teams. What you can do is that go here, the new conversation, and then find this, right? If you cannot find, you click these three buttons, and then you just type updates, yeah? So for me, it's right over here, the updates, okay? So you can click on these updates, and then the updates will show whether you want to write an update or request an update. If you want to write an update, means that there is someone assigned you to do the reports, then you can click on here and then select which reports you want to update. Right now, let's say you want to create a new report for your people, you can click here, request an update. Yeah, you can start from blank, or you can basically choose any of the template over here. So you can use this for like to check on your building inspection, 5S audit, anything, right? It's just basically a form that you can click here, start from blank to create a forms. So all your people need is just follow the form and then just answer your questions, right? So it can be objective questions like scoring or ratings, and it can be a subjective. So then they can type in all the reports, and then once done, click finish. The system will automatically notify you, and then you'll know that who actually submitted and who has not submitted. So all these simplify your reporting workflow. Go try it out. I hope you like this. If you like these types of tips, do follow us for more.